This exercise is the compact position. The compact position is the base for all of our shoulder stability exercises here at Core. So the idea is to actually have the rotator cuff muscles maximally stabilize the arm or humerus into the joint, okay? If you think about the shoulder, it's a ball and socket joint, and the ball here of the upper arm or humerus needs to be secure in this socket. Some people describe it as a baseball on a golf tee. Okay, if you think about that, that's not too stable of a joint. So we need these muscles, the rotator cuff muscles specifically, to help stabilize this humerus or this ball into the socket. Okay, so to do this, one way to demonstrate it with your athletes is to have them lie on their back with their knees bent. Then what they're going to be doing is raising their arm up 90 degrees or just straight up towards the ceiling. Good. And what he's going to be doing is holding his shoulder blade down and back, not up, in the maximally stabilized position. Okay. So go ahead and relax for a second. Go ahead and relax. So if you go ahead and raise your other arm actually. If you see him pulling up here, his shoulder is moving, okay? That's not what we want. That means his shoulder has a little instability at that moment. We want to make sure it's nice and secure, snug in this position. So what he can do is try and push his shoulder down, back into the table. And then if I were to lift him here, he would lift up as a unit. He's not rolling at all. Okay, if I really give him a tug, he may lift exactly as a unit. He's not rolling. That shoulder is in the maximally stabilized position. Okay, so this is the base for all our exercises. This is the compact position. So using the Swiss balls or these exercise balls can be very beneficial. Unfortunately, many people use them wrong. Okay, they'll oftentimes just have their chest on it, not have their abdominals tight, and this will cause them to arch off their low back. Okay, so when I have anyone use one of these Swiss balls, I make them get in this goofy position. Okay, they're going to have their knees surrounding the ball. They're going to try and decrease the space between the hips and the ball. You want that as close as possible. That will cause a little bit of roundness in that lower back, which is fine because that will prevent someone from arching. Okay. From their low back, that is. Okay, so to prevent them from arching, another method is to have them tighten their abdominals. Okay, and in this position, for this exercise, which is just the compact position on a Swiss ball, all they're going to be doing is to try and bring their shoulder blades down and back in that compact position while not moving anywhere else. Okay, they should feel this in between their shoulder blades. Once again, bringing their shoulders down and back, and then just go ahead and relax it. Okay, so that would be one repetition in the compact position on the Swiss ball.